Okay, you got a broken screwdriver, and you're going to use your bench grinder. First off, never stand in line of this either stone with it running. These things have known to come apart. So you square it off first. Then, you don't do it this way. You do it this way. And that gives your screwdriver a little bit of a scallop to the end, which will help keep the screwdriver in the slot of the screw. If you simply do it this way, you're going to end up with a tapered end on the screwdriver, and that'll tend to work its way out of the slot of the screw. This way, you have a reverse curve.